So I'm about to do a self-observation, and I'm going to conduct. I'm on my dashboard. See, welcome Stephanie Karapak. And now, if my name didn't come up, I would have to type it in and spell my name right. But you can see it's there. And what I'd like to do is, I think I'm going to look at Domain 2. So now I'm in Domain 2. First thing I have to do, and I made the mistake, and I know others have, is I want this to count. So I'm going to click that right there, results count toward annual evaluation. That's the very first thing. And then I want to zone in on, I'm going to look at available technology. Okay. The teacher identifies the use of available technology that it can enhance students' understanding. This plan identifies available technology, so I'm using discussion board, so I would say yes. The plan identifies how the technology will be used to enhance student learning. I will say yes. Teacher evidence, when asked, the teacher can describe the technology that will be used. Yes. When asked, the teacher can articulate how the technology will be used to enhance student learning. Yes. Now I'm sliding down. Now it asks me to decide on where I fall on this category. However, what you need to do first is to look at the criteria. And the criteria is very clear. Not using, beginning, developing, applying, and innovating. We may think we know, oh, I'm definitely innovating, but then you read this and you're like, I really don't help others that much, but I do identify the available technology that can enhance student learning and understanding and the manner in which they will be used. So let's see, developing. I'm going to read that over. So I believe I'm applying. So I'm going to then use that criteria. And then I'm going to add information. The students will be using a discussion board to demonstrate their knowledge and application of knowledge regarding Chapter 2 of the Code Talker. Students will be able to use some inferences as they develop their paragraph, stretching their knowledge and their understanding from the concrete to the more abstract. Okay, and I can go on and on and on. Now, here's where you can add files from your computer. You can add images. You cannot add a Google document and expect it to be embedded in any way. However, you can add a link in here, and the reason is for security, for the eye observation. So once if you put a link in here, your supervisor, your principal, can copy and paste that link right into another window and see your evidence. You can also upload videos. So there's maybe images of students working on using the computer and using the message board, maybe student samples. So all that you can add in, and when you are done, be sure, if you're saving and closing and you don't want to work on this anymore, say you have lunch duty, you want to just save and close, it will close out the window. Say you're just running to the bathroom, you're coming back, you could save the draft, it will still be an eye observation when you return. Finish means you've sent it away, it's done. So those are the options. Remember the big ideas. Evaluation results will count toward evaluation. Remember, you're going to click off which pieces apply to you. Check the scale, make sure you read it, and then add the comments on how you've achieved what you've achieved, and you don't have to add evidence. I like to add evidence. I just think adding evidence gives more bang for your buck. So, and then just don't click out of it. This is not Google, and we're so used to Google doing everything for us that you just don't click out of that window. Remember to save and close, save draft, or if you're done, finish. I hope that helps, and I hope this will help you when you go through doing your own self-observations. You can do many or just one. You can do a few, but don't forget, this is the biggie. Thanks for listening.